working on my son's Royal Enfield Continental GT, and we are going to be putting some Vans grips on it, get rid of the stock grips, and you're going to need a box cutter, some hairspray, some Vans grips, and maybe a little patience depending on how it is to get these bar end mirrors off. So first step we want to do is we're going to unscrew these. I didn't do that actually.
That's pretty good.
Next thing we're going to do is you do this kind of two different ways. One video I did on my Indian, I actually split this piece apart and took the throttle body out. We're going to try to just cut this off the throttle body. He's never going to use these grips again. So what you want to do is just make sure you make shallow cuts, because you can recut something but you can't uncut something, if that makes sense. This is more important on the throttle side because the other side is going to be basically metal. You just don't want to cut through the throttle. Make sure you don't want to reuse these grips because obviously that's not going to happen. You're not reusing these, right?
Not at the moment, no.
Alright.
Try it now.
One grip gone. Everything looks good. So the grips come, is this the larger or the smaller?
I didn't think about that.
Okay. So one thing to note, these are 7/8 grips. They come with one side is 7/8 to fit on the bar. That's going to be your clutch side. The other one's a larger hole, so you want to look at them beforehand. The larger hole is going to slide over the throttle tube. Okay, so got the grip cut off. These he's got bar ends, and then he's actually thinking about doing bar end mirrors. So I cut, not very elegantly, but I cut the end of this grip out. So what we're going to do is take some hairspray, and once you spray this, you want to work kind of quickly because the whole idea with hairspray, something I've been using since my BMX days, is you spray it in there, lubes it up, and then you slide it on, and it dries up and it's really sticky, so it's like a glue. So which makes sense for hairspray. Not my hair, obviously, but you know, you get the point. You want the Vans to be up?
Yeah.
Alright, so that side's on. We should be able to slip a little spacer. And
Oh, why is that? I thought it was going to be that.
so that's it. That side's done. We'll work on the second. But that's all there is to it. We'll show you a close-up of when the thing's done. And then that's it. Thanks a lot. Alright, so the throttle side went on really easy. This side was a pain in the ass. Got the grip off. That was no problem. What the problem we had though was when we tried to get the bar end mirror off here, this whole thing kept spinning. And if it's spinning, it's not going to come out. So you'll be here all day. So tried a couple different things. What I ended up doing was taking the old grip that we cut off, wrapping it around, back around it just to protect it, then taking some vice grips on top of that and just getting a good bite on that. Once I was able to do that, gave me the leverage to keep this outside part still while I got that bolt out. So figured I would come back to you guys with that, because without that, I've seen other videos where somebody is taking a hammer and pounding the crap out of it trying to get it out, which ultimately does work, but a lot easier just unscrewing it. So there you go, little tip.